Good evening everyone. This is part 1 of class 6. In our previous session we have discussed about the concepts of relation. Okay. In this session we are going to discuss some problems related to relation. Okay. Let's start our session. Here we have given let a equal to 1, 2, 3, up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R equal to x comma y colon 3x minus y equal to 0 where x comma y belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Okay, let's solve it. Here our relation is from A to A. Okay, that is our input is set A and output is also set A. Okay, in relation the problems can be easily solved and easily understood by the arrow diagram form. Okay, so first of all we are proceed with arrow diagram. Okay, so here the inputs and inputs are from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Okay, and here the outputs, and outputs are also 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Okay, so first of all the relation is x comma y. Okay, and 3x minus y equal to 0. Okay, from here we can evaluate by this way: 3x minus y equal to 0, that means y equal to 3x. Okay, clear? If we put x equal to 1, okay, x equal to 1 if we put, then y becomes 3. So our image of 3 is 1. Okay, next if we put x equal to 2, then our value will be 6. Okay, 6 is somewhere here. Okay, if we put x equal to 2, then y will be 6. Okay, clear? Now if we put x equal to 3, then our y will be 9. Okay, 9 is somewhere here. Okay, so if we put x equal to 3, then y will be 9. Okay, again if we put x equal to 4, then y will be 16. Oh sorry, 12. So 12 will be somewhere here. Okay, so if we put x equal to 4, then y equal to 4 3 is a 12. Okay, now if we put x equal to 5, okay, then y equal to 15. Okay, but 15 is not belongs to set A. Okay, therefore this will not satisfy the relation. Okay, understood? So this is our arrow diagram form of this relation. Okay, so from here our relation will be if we express this relation in roster form, then r equal to 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. Okay, this will be our relation. Okay, now we have to find domain, codomain and range. Okay, domain, codomain and range. Okay, domain is what? The set of permissible inputs. Range is the set of permissible outputs, and codomain is all possible outputs. Okay, so here the set of this is the set of inputs. Okay, but the permissible inputs are only 4, and they are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only 4 of these elements satisfies this relation. Okay, therefore they are the permissible inputs. Okay, so our domain is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now codomain. Codomain means all possible outputs. Okay, this is our outputs and both set A. Okay, this is our outputs, and outputs, all possible outputs are from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. They are all possible outputs. Okay, so our codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 14. Okay, and the range is set of all permissible outputs. Okay, so the outputs that satisfy the relation are included in the range. Okay, here our permissible outputs are only 4, and they are 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, therefore our range is 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, this is our range. Okay, so this is our solution of this problem. If anyone have any confusion related to this problem, then you can ask me in my comment box. Okay, now let's start another problem. Here we have given, define a relation R on set N of natural numbers R equal to x y colon y equal to x plus 5, x is a natural number less than 4, x y belongs to n. Okay, depict this relationship using roster form and write down the domain and ranges. Okay, here the relation on set n. Okay, here is the relation on set n. That means our input is n and output is also n. Okay, here is none other sets than the natural numbers. That means our input and output both set is n, that is natural numbers. Okay, our input and output both sets are natural numbers. Okay, and we have the relation is x y equal to x plus 5. Okay, this is our relation, and here also mentioned that x is a natural number less than 4. Okay, that means the input, okay, the input is a natural number. Okay, we know that the x is a natural number, but it must have less than 4. Okay, and we have to depict this relationship in roster form, and we have to write down the domain and ranges. Okay, let's solve it. Okay, so we have to depict this relationship in roster form. Therefore we have to make the image in our rough or in our mind. Okay, the arrow diagram, so that we can proceed the problem clearly. Okay, so our input, okay, input is natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, such that. Okay, and the output is also natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes on. Okay, so we have given that the x, that is input, is less than 4. Okay, therefore the input must be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, if x equal to 1, then the y becomes 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Okay, 6 is somewhere there, and if x equal to 2, then y becomes 7. Okay, 7 is somewhere there, and if x equal to 3, then y becomes 8. 8 is somewhere there. Okay, so our possible input becomes 1, 2 and 3, and possible outputs becomes 6, 7 and 8. Okay, this is our solution. Okay, now we have to write this relation first of all in roster form. Okay, so our relation is r equal to 1, 6, 2,7 and 3,8. Okay, this is our relation. Clear? And from there we have to write down the domain. Therefore domain means all permissible inputs. Here the permissible input is only 3, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, because the x is less than 4. Okay, and the y becomes 6, 7, 8, and they are becomes ranges. Okay, range means all possible outputs, and all possible outputs becomes 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so this is our solution. Clear? If you guys have any doubts related to today's problems that we have discussed in this session, okay, then you can ask me in my comment box. Okay, see you in the next class.